Hello, it's Helen here. Let's make cold shredded chicken for the hot summer. Put the chicken breast, ginger, leek, and cooking wine in a cold water pot. Cover the lid, cook it for 15 minutes, and steam for 2 minutes. Make the sauce base while waiting. Put vinegar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar. Shred the cucumber. Cut the red pepper. When the chicken is ready, check there is no pink color inside of the chicken. Put in the cold water. The chicken is ready to peel. To separate it by following the natural grain of the chicken. Use your lovely hands to peel it off. Believe me, it's definitely a stress-relieving process. Put in all the veggie and start mixing. Put in the minced garlic. Heat the oil. Sesame, Sichuan pepper oil, and sesame oil until the sesame turns to yellow brown. Sizzle them on the top. Mix well to get an even color. Wow, your aromatic cold shredded chicken is ready to go. Please subscribe the channel for more food recipes.